He needs plasma! Hold that up high.
Right side!
Copy! You hold here, keep an eye on him. You're gonna be okay, bud. You stay here. If anybody goes down on this side, you get them. I'm going to the other side. I'll be back then.
This year's D-Day Ohio event was an absolute blast, and I think it was my favorite year there so far. I got a ton of footage from 4 inland battles and 2 beach landings, so make sure that you're subscribed to Echoes of the Past and turn on all notifications so you don't miss out when I upload these exciting videos. Today's POV video comes from Friday's Fière Bridge battle reenactment. The battle for the Fière Bridge was a major engagement and it lasted for several days. The bridge was the only way for the Germans to get their armor across the Merdure River and attack our men coming up from the beach. At the same time, in order to move inland, we needed to use this bridge to get our own troops and armor across the Merdure River. So the bridge could not be destroyed, it had to be defended at all costs. Troopers of the 505th, 507th, and 508th Parachute Infantry Regiment, as well as troopers from the 325th Glider Infantry Regiment, all played a major role in this battle. Over 250 American troops lost their lives defending this bridge, so their story definitely deserves to be told. Huge shout out to my friend Doc Wilgus for allowing me to put a camera on him. If you want to see the full uncut version of mine and Doc's POVs separate, you can find those over at the YouTube channel members page. Since YouTube is now my full-time job, becoming a YouTube member is a way to make what I do possible, because at this point I need to be paid to make these videos, and you guys becoming a member really helps me make that possible. There's going to be a lot of cool behind the scenes videos over there, full uncut footage that you will not see here on the main page. So if you want to help make what I do here possible and keep these videos free, please consider becoming a YouTube channel member today. Alright guys, this one's going to be an absolute banger. Let's roll the film.
Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Get out, get out! I'm gonna bounce over that side, save it. Bouncing. Friendly.
Watch yourself. Hey, watch yourself.
Here, buddy.
Check dead and wounded now! Check ammo! Check your ammo! Check your ammo!
Good.
You're dead?
More or less, yeah.
Yeah, so you're dead. Hey, he's gone! Where you hit, buddy? Where you hit? Okay.
Ready?
Let's get him back.
All right, second
Let's
platoon,
go.
follow me! Go!
First squad, let's go! He needs plasma!
Second squad, to the right!
Second squad. First squad, this way!
The western end of the causeway.
First squad!
You guys are.
First squad, spread out on the crates! Spread out! We have an MG on the left! Get that piece of tape started.
How long?
Enough to wrap around his arm.
What?
Hold that up high. There's a whole platoon! Hey, Kate!
That might be the
You stay here. If anybody goes down on this side, you get them. I'm going to the other side. You're gonna be okay, bud.
They just want to.
What's that?
Do I go now?
Yeah, go bump up to them.
How's everybody looking?
Do my side.
You're hitting your side? Real world good?
I'm fine.
Awesome. Can you walk?
Maybe.
Okay.
You doing all right? Yeah, I'm good.
Grab his rifle for me. Here. We got you.
Crouch in the open!
Oh crap. We don't have good cover here. Let's move back to these crates. We're exposed to these guys. Here, fall back, I'll cover you. Fix your grand back there. All right. Go for it. These crates.
Give me your bandage. Bandage. Hey, bub, what's your name? What's your name?
Paul.
Paul? My name's Ian. All right. It's gonna be okay. You're doing great, buddy.
Move up here, tell them to start taking hits. We have no casualties on this side. Okay, we need to start taking heavy casualties on this side.
Dead. Dead? Shit. Moving!
Medic up front!
You good? Are you dead or wounded?
Dead.
He's gone!
Doc, get back here!
What you got?
No, I'm good. I'm just rolling around.
Are you dead?
I'm not.
Good.
Just trying to move. We need to be taking more hits.
Yeah, I know.
They had 4 single hits.
Yeah.
Other than that, we just gotta keep on fire on these guys.
We had about 3 hits over here, that's good.
Yeah.
We have a bunch more over there. We need to start. We need to start consolidating now. What's up?
We're taking mass hits. We only got a few left up here.
Yeah, I know.
Dead or wounded?
Dead.
Spread out! Spread out!
1, 2, 3, 2, 5 left.
Hey! Cover fire! I'm moving! Report out! Cover fire!
I'm right here in front of you. I'm in front of you.
Hey guys, that machine gunner's still breathing. I want him dead.
There's an MG top of the hill!
I've got a medic over there already.
Get ready to cross. Cross.
What?
Come on! Stay with me, buddy! Go ahead and die.
In the shed.
Yep, you're in the shade. Damn it!
Medic! Medic up front! Medic!
Here, put pressure on it. Put pressure on it.
We need guys on the line!
We do. We don't have any reinforcements. You have nothing?
Where's Doc?
Here, take these.
Medic!
It doesn't look too bad. I don't think it's bleeding as much as it will be if it was an artery.
More coming in!
I don't think they can hit the artery. I think it's
What you got? What you got? Emerald! Put this on it.
Hold on. Move your hand. Move your hand. Move your hand. Move your hands. Move your hands. Help me hold it. Help me hold it. You're okay.
Sarge, you're gonna be fine.
Okay, hurts a lot? It didn't hit
A lot of blood.
It didn't.
Yeah, it is.
It didn't hit an artery.
Are they? They're pushing us on the left. You need to keep them out of here.
No. We got the bridge. We got the bridge. Okay.
Let me get this done, then we'll get there.
You're gonna make it, buddy. You're gonna make it, okay? We've been through this crap. Remember Italy? Remember the rail yard? We're fine.
Yes.
We're fine.
Hey, LT,
Okay, yeah.
get that tape started for me.
What do we need to do with it?
Just get it open so I can tape this down.
It's open. It's open. What's you doing, Doc? You're gonna be okay.
What's you doing to me, Doc?
I'm giving you plasma.
It's fine. This is
Hey.
normal procedure. Hey, we
What's
went
your-
through this training. You've seen this in Italy. You've seen this. You're gonna be okay. We got a German medic. No.
Hey, we made it through Italy. We made it through Sicily. We're making it through this one.
You're gonna go home. You're gonna go to You're gonna go to the States.
Hey.
Right? You're gonna see your mom again.
Yeah.
Unlike me, you got a
Okay.
beautiful wife at home to go to. You're gonna be fine.
That's right.
You're gonna go into shock.
That's
You're
right.
gonna be fine. Okay?
Okay.
Get you to the hospital.
Okay.
You'll be fine. Okay?
Okay.
We got great guys.
Leg.
We got great guys back in St. Mary's. Okay?
Come out.
We're gonna get
There.
We're gonna get you there. Okay.
Hold this up. Hold this up.
I got it. I got it.
We got you.
You're gonna be okay.
We got you, buddy.
You focus on me, all right? You'll be okay.
Fourth ID should
Be here pretty soon.
Yeah, fourth ID's gonna be here. All right, we already got guys set up. St. Mary's. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. Okay, we took this bridge. We took this bridge.
We got the bridge.
How's it looking? How big is the wound?
It's not big.
It's good.
It's bleeding a lot, but it's not
Hey.
big. It's not an artery.
Everything's right where it should be, Sarge.
Okay.
You're okay.
You'll be able to have all the kids you want when we get back.
Thank you. Danke. Danke. Meine Freund. Das ist mein Freund.
All right.
Yeah.
You keep that in place. What do we got? What do we got? Index!
Good work, man. Is that it?
Boys, we did it. Here. I got the plasma. Oh, well, I guess you got the plasma. Good freaking job. Good freaking job. Here, I got you.
Steal that one back from
Here you go. Hey, thanks, buddy.
I got you. Danke schön, mein Freund.
It was still
Good work.
filming at least when I took my helmet off on the right side.
Good work.
Cade.
Huh?
I pulled the cade.
Oh no.